Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hossain, content creator, Triangular Kamal Academy. I welcome to all of you in my regular academic classes. In this content, we are going to discuss here higher mathematics for the students of standard 9 and 10. And this is exercise 8.3 from trigonometry. In previous classes, consecutively, we have discussed up to 8.1 and 8.2. And in 8.3, we have done up to question number 9. So this content, we are going to start here question number 10. And after doing all questions from question number 10, we will discuss here question number 11. So dear students, first we see here, there are in question number 10, there are total 4 questions. Step by step, inshallah, we will try to discuss all questions. So, dear students, the first questions, each and every question here, the value of theta is given here pi by 3. So, if we convert here pi by 3 in sexagesimal system, that means or degree system, we will get here pi by 3 means 60 degree. So, you can use here pi by 3 60 degree or pi by 3, no problem. This is the circular angle and this is the degree system. So, now first question, given this value theta, and there are 3 parts, first, second, and third part. So first part, just putting the value of theta, and after doing calculation, first step, just do up to this. Now 2 pi by 3, just 2 pi by 3, and this angle you have to break down, like you have to compare with pi by 2 or simply compare with pi. If we compare pi like sine pi or cos pi or tan pi, the ratio will not change. Ratio will not change. But if we compare with pi by 2 times of odd number, odd means this is odd times odd numbers. So if we compare here pi by 2 with the odd numbers, but odd times multiply, then sine theta converted, sine theta, we all know this, sine theta converted as a cos theta, and also cos theta converted sine theta. So in the same way, tan theta converted cot, cot converted cot, cosec converted sec, sec converted cosec. In the previous content, we have discussed this briefly. So now if you want, you can revise the previous classes. So now, dear students, here 2 pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. So we can compare this one with the pi minus pi by 3, or we can write here twice pi by 2 minus pi by 3. That means this is even number multiply with 90 degree. That means even number multiply with 90 degrees. So this is the same meaning, pi by 2 and pi by 3, or this one, both are the same. So 90 times even number, so no change sign. So now 180 minus pi by 3. That means sine 90 degree, sine 180 degree minus theta. So if we draw a figure like this, sine 180 degree and minus theta or plus theta, this is the minus theta. So this value is in second quadrant. Second quadrant value is always sine is positive. Yes, in second quadrant sine, this is positive and this is positive. So in second quadrant sine is always positive. So now first word value is root over 3 by 2. So dear students, directly by using calculator also you can do this, no problem. Just considering here pi is 180, by using calculator, if you write like this, here sine theta, sine 2 multiply 180 divided by 3. I hope directly you will get here root over 3 divided by 2, or the value of root over 3 divided by 2 decimal form. So no problem, you can directly you can write this one. Now in the same way, do the second part. 2 multiply sine theta multiply cos theta. Just put their value by using calculator. You will get here same answer. In the same way, just copy the third part and put the value successively. And pi by 3 means 60 degrees. So put the value of sine 60 degree, and this is sine 60 degree whole square. Just after doing the calculation, you will get here root over 3 by 2. So finally, we can say value of first part, value of second part, value of third part, all are same. This is our requirement done. So now let's see the next question, question number 2. There are total two part, left hand side and right hand side. It's very easy question. Just put the value and do the simplification. Okay. Here in the left hand side, putting their value, just do calculation. Sin 180 degree directly using calculator, you can write this value, no problem. But if you break down this angle 180, you can write here 2 multiply 90 plus theta. That means this is even number. So that's why 90 times of even number means no sign of the ratio. Sign will be sin, cos will be cos, tan will be cot, because even number is a multiply with 90. So now this is theta, sin theta equal to 0. So now next in the right side, put the value of theta, and this is the value of theta, and this value is including cube, but 4 is the outside the cube. Just do simplification. You will get here the value of left hand side is equals to value of right hand side. Now do the next question. This question number 3 and 4 both are same question. So now at a times you can see here both. This is the question number 3. This is the left hand side as like as previous math. Do by using the calculator or directly break down the angle pi, you will get here -1. So in as like as previous one, put the value of theta and do the simplification one by one. You can write here -1. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Here the next question, this is question number 4. First you will do here left hand side, putting the value 2 pi by 3. As like as first math, we have done here 2 pi by 3. So 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta equals to minus tan theta. So actually I have to discuss this content here. Why tan 180 minus theta? Tan 180 means second quadrant. So minus theta means break few portions. So this is the figure in second quadrant. So second quadrant base is always adjacent side is negative and opposite side is positive. So tan theta means perpendicular which is positive, perpendicular divided by adjacent side which is negative. So plus or minus say minus. That's why tan 180 degree minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So now put the value of pi by 3 means 60 degree root over 3. So in the same way, just put the value of theta in the right side, do calculation. Step by step, you will get the same value root over 3. So now left hand side is equals to right hand side. So basically, in the question number 10, there are total 4 formula, and these types of formula you have to apply in intermediate. Just we are doing here justification or verification. These all are the formula, the relation between 2 theta and sin theta cos theta relation with tan theta, sin 3 theta converted with sin into tan relation with the tan, and these are the complex angle. So tan 3 theta cos theta related with the cos theta. So these all types of formula basically you have to practice in intermediate level. Just we are doing here justification only for the given value. So dear students, now we will discuss here question number 11. This is one of the most important topics in this content. So I think without doing question number 11, and you cannot do the question number 12 and 13. So actually basic concept all are given here, because each and every math we see here the different quadrant. This value is given here. The value all are different. So that means according to this value, we have to find the value of alpha. So now first question, cot alpha equals to minus root over 3. So one step you have to know here, given value cot alpha equals to negative value. So if we draw the figure, cot me this is positive and this is negative. This is positive, this is negative. But if we see here cot theta, this is cot theta. Cot theta is negative in the second quadrant and in the fourth quadrant. Cot theta always negative. But this angle 3 times of 90, 3 times of 90, this is basically 90. So 3 times of 90 and 2 times of 180 means 4 times of 90. So this angle given here, 3 times of 90 to 4 times of 90. So this is 190, 290, 390. Alpha angle which is greater than 3 times of 90. That means which is greater than 3 times of 90 but smaller than 4 times of 90. Which though cot alpha is minus, but the given angle is only in fourth quadrant. That's why we will choose only in fourth quadrant, not in second quadrant. Because the condition given here in the fourth quadrant, also fourth quadrant cot is negative. So now first step, right here minus root over 3 and root 3 means 10 but cot 30 degrees. So cot 30 degree means pi by 6. Now here, if we write here, fourth quadrant means twice pi minus theta. So theta means here angle. 2 pi, twice second quadrant, pi plus theta, pi plus theta in third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. Second quadrant, pi minus theta, second quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. This is fourth quadrant, twice pi minus theta. So now just only single theta. When theta is acute angle, we can consider as a first quadrant. So now this is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means twice pi minus theta. So theta means pi by 6. So now eliminate cot theta from both sides. Eliminate cot theta from both sides. You will get alpha equals to this one. And after doing simplification, value is 11 pi divided by 6, which is in according to the condition in fourth quadrant. So now give attention in the question number 2. First step, cos theta is negative. So we know cos theta is negative in second and third quadrant. Cos is negative in second and third quadrants. But this angle, now give attention in the second angle. This is greater than 90 degree, but greater than 3 pi by 2. So now greater than 90 degree means start from second quadrant and is smaller than 3 pi by 2. So this is up to 3 pi by 2. This line is 3 pi by 2. This line is pi by 2. This line is 2 pi by 2. And this line is 0. So now the angle given here greater than alpha is greater than pi by 2. That means greater than 90 and smaller than 270. So now this whole angle is given, including second quadrant and including third quadrant. This angle is given here. That's why first step we have to do in second quadrant, and then second step we have to do for third quadrant. So for second quadrant, already we have said second quadrant means pi minus theta. So here theta means this cos half means 60 degree, pi by 3. So here pi by 3. After doing the calculation, this is the first value of alpha. So now in the third quadrant means pi plus theta. So theta means for the value of half means pi by 3. So just after doing the calculation, this is the second value which satisfy the given condition is 4 pi by 3. So now this is our required value. Dear students, now let's see the next question. Here question number 3. Question number 3, sin theta is negative, but the given condition is here. This is greater than second quadrant, smaller than third quadrant. Sorry, greater than first quadrant. That means first quadrant means inside the greater than first quadrant, smaller than third quadrant. So if we do here, greater than 90, smaller than 3 pi by 2. So pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. So they're together two quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant. But in the second quadrant, we see here sign is always positive because this is plus, this is plus. That's why this is not acceptable. According to the angle, given angle, we see here two quadrant. But according to the value, sin theta is negative. So sin theta is negative in third quadrant and in fourth quadrant, sin theta is negative. But the given angle is given here according to condition second and third. So only we have to choose here third quadrant. Fourth quadrant is not acceptable because angle given here second and third. Though it is minus, but due to angle, this is not acceptable in the fourth quadrant. So now in the second quadrant, the pi plus theta is second quadrant. Theta means the value of sine root over 3 by 2, which is 60 degree, pi by 3. So just now after eliminating sine from both sides, theta alpha equals to pi plus pi by 3. So now do simplification, and this is our answer. So dear students, now let's see the next question. And this is the last questions from 11. Question number 4, cot theta equals to negative value, but the condition given here 180. 180 means this one, twice pi by 2. And this is not alpha, basically this one will be theta. So this theta means we can write here 4 pi by 2. 4 pi by 2 this line, 2 pi by 2 this line. But cot is negative only in the fourth quadrant. That's why we cannot, cot is negative here. In this quadrant positive, there is negative, and this is positive, this is negative. So in first and second, in second and third quadrant, here cot is negative. Now, but the condition is given here second to fourth. So now second to greater and but fourth to smaller. So only acceptable value is fourth quadrant. So now for fourth quadrant means twice pi minus theta. After doing the calculation, twice pi minus theta, here 2 pi minus theta. Theta means this value 45 degree, pi by 4. And doing the simplification, result is this one. So dear student, this is up to question number 10 and question number 11. This is consecutive class. And if you have any confusion, please, I will request to you to see the previous content one by one. We have started from 8.1. After completing 8.1, we have done 8.2. Now this is 8.3. Inshallah, from the next content, we will discuss question number 12 and 13. Hope to see you all in the next assignment or next classes, and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.